Hello movie lovers, Bob for Bob's movie review here, and so I bring my unboxing of Saw on 4K. This one is available now. Saw does include 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray, and digital. Carl Hughes, Danny Glover, and Monica Potter. Saw unrated. Kind of an interesting, kind of like a drawing, but it's got like spot glossing. I don't know what it says there in the middle. Greetings and welcome. Want to play a game. Interesting. It also kind of has like a weathering effect on it. Foil underneath as well, so this thing's going to scratch real easy. Here's a look at the spine. It does have the Lionsgate logo down in the corner. Cool artwork on the back, really like that. With its story of a morally obsessed serial killer who forces his victims to play horrific games of torture and survival, Saw shocked audiences, redefined the horror genre, and spawned one of the most successful franchises of all time. Now experience the unhinged depravity of the Jigsaw Killer in an eye-popping 4K transfer that will chill your blood and disturb your dreams. Disc 1 is the 4K movie and special features, and Disc 2 is the Blu-ray movie and special features. 4K special features include Game Changer, The Legacy of Saw, audio commentary by director James Wan, actor Leigh Whannell, and actor audio commentary by producer Mark Berg, Greg Hoffman, and Oren Kouls. And Blu-ray special features include Saw, the original short film, Hacking Away at Saw, alternate storyboard sequences, and theatrical trailers. This is the unrated cut of the movie. It does have a runtime of 103 minutes. It does include Dolby Vision, English Dolby Atmos, English and Spanish subtitles, as well as English SDH. Here is your side-by-side look. If you guys have seen this one, love to hear your thoughts down in the comment section below. Let's check out the inside. And inside, let's see, on the left we have the Blu-ray disc, just kind of like the bathroom wall with blood. And then on the right we have the 4K disc, kind of the doll face, I guess. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Remember, you can find more information, including affiliate links to purchase Saw down in the description below. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos, check out Chess videos, and I'll see you guys next time.